I made this for a friend of mine. Think it looks cool? Yeah, it looks pretty damn cool. Alright, now enjoy the montage as all four of me gets this done in just one day. That shit took weeks. Alright, so Gary should be here any minute now, otherwise known as the angry old man. We're going to see how he appreciates, likes, or hates my skull. I'm willing to bet he'll like it because he asked me for it. Now time to present it to the angry old man, otherwise known as Les.
Oh!
Well, it's already broke.
Damn it. Is it still under warranty?
I can edit these things. Alright.
Oh,
Here is your lovely gift. It is a very good skull with red eyes.
did I get a ball peen hammer with this too?
Alright, so when you take the when you take the skull off, slide it off. Don't pull it off because it might pull the glue on the magnets out. So just slide it back to pop the skull off.
That's cool as shit, boy.
And then the jaw will separate at the hinges with magnets, but you can just stick it back in there. There's like a rubber band. No, just slide it back. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you see the charge for it there. You can plug your cable in to charge it. And
Run it up underneath there and let it set.
like I said, there's no off switch, just so you'll suffer. So you know how to cut a wire in half.
Like an offer for the switch here.
I hope it creeps you out at night.
Oh, it ain't gonna creep me out. That's cool as shit. Oh!
Careful opening the jaw too far, because it's just a rubber band that's hot glued. That's great. Hold on. Turn it sideways a bit. That thing has been on. I have not charged it in over a week.
Oh! jaw fell off.
Yeah, it's a magnet. Just pop it back in there.
Oh, I'm like, oh shit! I done broke the damn thing, and I ain't even got it home yet.
Yeah, you can smack the jaw off. It's held with magnets, and then
That's cool.
the spring is just a piece of rubber band hot glued behind the eye in there.
That shit's some detailed stuff, boy.
Yeah.
You got all the sinus passage bones and shit.
Hell yeah.
You got the long story. You can hit it with a hammer.
I don't know. I don't know if that scientific theory is still fact or not.
That's some shit from Candyland.
You see these creases right here?
That's cool as f***. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
It was worth the wait. It was definitely worth the wait.
I sanded and sanded to try to get that gap out, and then I realized some of it was in this, and then I stopped because I was tired of doing that.
But you like I said, I told you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a f***ing bullet hole right there, but with a crack.
Well,
and
good.
knock out a f***ing tooth.
At least you can pull the skull off and do that. Mm-hmm. And that thing will become pliable with a hairdryer. Like if you hold a hairdryer to it, so you could like warp or dent it if you wanted to. But that is the top's 100% plastic. This has got some infill in it, like it's kind of hollow inside. But that right there, I printed 100% for some fucking reason.
So yeah, I'm gonna knock a tooth out. Gotta have a f***ing tooth missing.
Well, because of the magnets, he's got a big ass Carl Childress underbite.
It's all right.
I like the way you talk.
Here's some free fried taters. Yeah, that's cool.
All right.
La 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 la.